Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Amazon Alexa app. So you just click on it here. Sorry, you just click on Amazon Alexa here or search for it here. Then here add Alexa app or Amazon Alexa. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.